This week I had no intention to make a live video. So the reason was very simple. A lot of things to do, also not only trading, but that's private. Doesn't matter. But the data today have been so good, I couldn't wait to make the next live video. Whatever, what kind of data we reached today? Well, the very important CPI data, the Consumer Price Index, that's a mirror, an indication of the consumer's behavior. And that will be a new reflection how the Federal Reserve will behave and act in future. On the same time, inflation is slowing down. The CPI data, all pre-CPI data, also core CPI below, far below the expectations. Amazing. And that boosted the market. Nasdaq for now, let's check, 309 pips. That's the highest since 2018 in one day and below or under 2 hours. That's the highest, fastest move. The current price is at 15,797. So far, so good. But before why now the trend is bullish, I will show here something. At around 50,950, it was the highest high in July 23, on Friday, the 21st of July, some weeks ago. At this time, we had, I use arrows, I think it's better. So, yes, it's working good. At this time, we had very high DXY or dollar index value, and the rise of dollar index value started already here at this point here. So we sometimes, typically, if the dollar and bonds rising, the stock market have to fall. But if dollar rising, bonds too, and on the same time we have seen that Nasdaq was rising higher, so we had a trend divergence. But we noticed that sooner or later this trend will end somewhere. And now of Nasdaq combined with bearish trend of the US dollar means a complete trend change in Nasdaq and complete fundamental changes that are slightly confirmed by the data beginning of the last Friday with the non-farm payroll and fundamentals. And that means we are now in a good bullish trend where the majority of the market is willing to accept higher prices on Nasdaq. But as I said, trends always can change. What can we do as traders? We do or we practice, we act money management, healthy money management. We don't go big in the market, and we always, I just need something to change, right? So, and then there is something wrong. So in the meantime, we notice now, while are bearish now, we see here now that in this column of the dollar is becoming here a little bit stronger. So I am using 65 different trends for the US dollars on different time frames and different starts of trading. Some with EMA, some with MACD, some with RSI, some with super trend, some with closing, and so on. So meaning I am diversifying my positions. I am diversifying the markets, different positions, different assets, different, and also so I am diversifying also the that's time to me now to take action. And we see here the US dollar is becoming bearish again. It was bullish. Nasdaq is bearish, dollar is bearish, so we have here a divergence, right? As I said, because both Nasdaq and dollar can't run in one direction, so they have to talk. Nasdaq says, listen, dollar, I am going down, I'm going short. And dollar says, all right, then I'm going up, and then that's okay, right? But if dollar says, okay, I'm going down too, necessary, but it doesn't work that way. We need to build a correlation, right? We need to go to the opposite way. If I'm going down, you go up. If I'm going up, you must go down. So otherwise, the traders get crazy. But what I learned, one of very important things I learned in trading was never hunt the price. Never. If you miss 10 times in a row, never hunt that price, because somewhere the probability that you get hurt is very, very high.